Well, there's another potential legal roadblock for the Trans Mountain pipeline. The Court of Appeal has agreed to hear 6 challenges of Ottawa's approval of the controversial project. For more on this, we're joined by Business in Vancouver's Tyler Orton. So, Tyler, despite the setback, it sounds like construction will continue.
Yeah, that's what is expected at this point, and it is a little bit surprising because this expansion has been held up for about a year after the court quashed an earlier approval. The reason why is the federal government had to go back to the drawing board to address issues over First Nations consultation and oil tanker impacts. But environmental groups and First Nations groups are once again appealing the latest approval from June, which the federal court has said yes to. But there will be a limited amount of appeal. It's going to be focused on whether First Nations consultations were adequate at this point. So we're still in wait and see mode, but it's going to be interesting how this eventually plays out.
It will indeed. All right, switching gears to what softwood lumber producers are calling a partial victory in the latest dispute with the U.S. So what does the new ruling mean for BC's struggling forestry sector?
Well, we've been hit hard by a lot of closures and a lot of waylays with regards to our own industry. And a new NAFTA panel ruling says that claims of injuries by American lumber producers were flawed. And those must now be sent back to a trade commission for reconsideration. Recall that Canadian softwood producers have been paying anti-dumping duties averaging 20% to the United States. Right now, Vancouver-based Western Forest Products, they're applauding the decision, but keep in mind that at this point, it's still only going back for review. That's why we're calling it a partial victory right now.
All right, that's Business in Vancouver's Tyler Orton joining us this morning. Thanks as always.
Thank you.